Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. In this video, I will show you how you can use this GIS tool, which is totally different from the conventional clunky GIS tools like ArcGIS and QGIS and other platforms. So it is simple to use. So this is not a sponsored video, this is something which I saw and I found it very easy to use. So that's the reason I'm covering it. So you can come to this tool, atlas.co. So you can import various layers from Excel or from online layers that is available in GIS Online and various other platforms. So this is how it works. You can visualize things here on the fly, and you can also build things on the fly. You can build on the map, you can put filters, you can drag and drop easily those different functionalities like table, list, and you can build various apps also in this. Then you can import data from 20 plus supported file formats, whether it is CSV, GeoJSON, KML, and shape files. You can connect to servers also directly to get that information and query that information. You can do spatial analysis using various analysis that is available, like create buffer areas, you can create drive time areas, you can create statistics, and all those analysis you can easily do here. So this is something which is free to get started. So if I go and log in, this is how it looks like, right? In this, if I go here, I can pull in various layers. These are layers that is available in Atlas Data Hub. So I can search for various layers, and those layers I can pull on the map. Let's say these are country boundaries. There are water bodies. If I select and add to the map, it will come on the map. Now if I look into buildings, let me turn this off. Now if I go to a city like Hyderabad, right, and then I will turn on this layer, that is transportation network and buildings. So I should be able to see the building footprint. So this is the building footprint in Hyderabad. As you can see, all this data is available. Now if I am planning to build an office here, if I am planning to build a shop here, if I am planning to get a real estate in any of these locations, if I want to do some analysis, if there are various employees in my company, or if I want to see the commute, or if I'm trying to build a warehouse and do supply chain analysis, all those analysis I can do using this. So now after coming here, if I click on vector operations, I can see various kinds of vector operations that I can do, whether it is join, merging the layers, all those things I can do it here. Then there is raster operation, whether it is interpolating the data, whether it is cropping the raster, point extraction, all those things I can do it here. Then there are tools and workflows where I can do travel time analysis, constraint analysis. If I am clicking on travel time analysis, I should choose one starting point, which should be one location on the map. Then I can say, okay, give me travel analysis in like 6 minutes, 10 minutes. So it will show me which all areas I can cover in this time, which is the travel time, whether it is driving, walking, driving with traffic. It will show me on the map all this information. And if I want to build workflows, like if I want to drag and drop various features, like say OpenStreetMap. From OpenStreetMap, if I want to pull some other information and connect it to another information, based on that I want to create a buffer, all those things it can do it. Then I can schedule that workflow to run on a periodic basis. Then it will run and fetch that information on the map. Now if I look into forms, it can be used for capturing the data in the form of a form, and that data will be plotted on the map. So it is mostly the geo information, that is latitude and longitude information, that is captured on the map along with other details. So in this way you can use all these GIS functionalities that you see in the conventional tools like ArcGIS at the convenience of a simple tool where they have used AI also, I guess, to optimize most of their operations and tasks, and it has a very easy to use interface. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.